Okay, sorry, I make some mistakes leaving the meeting. Okay, in 30 minutes, this first 30 minutes, I will update what I've been doing in the last few weeks, basically. Okay, I have to share the screen, entire screen, share. Okay, okay, so this is my toys, sits beside me. Oops. Hello. Okay. So this is my toys. Beside me, it's a local large language model. Uh, this is the first one. I use Ollama for this one, and the second one is this one. This one is comfyui. Okay, so I have to type these two. The first one is Ollama. Ollama. It's basically open source large language model. And then on top of Ollama, I run Open Web UI. So you have a web user interface. Looks something similar to what ChatGPT or Grok or whatever. It's quite similar, but it's different. Okay, and this one is comfyui. Let me see, comfyui. Okay, this is comfyui. Both open source. You can play around with both of them. You need a gaming PC basically. Besides me is not a PC, it's laptop, gaming laptop, very expensive one, uh, but not maximum basically. So in ComfyUI you can download, you can generate image. What else? Image, video, audio, using prompt. So you can prompt and generate image, audio, video, and it's both an open source. You can install it in your PC or your own server. On my configuration, I install on my server on my laptop. So this is different laptop, different computer. So my the laptop is set as a server. Okay, but if you want to set up your own server, like professional server, you can buy today. I think you can buy like GPU server or something like that. It's quite costly. I cannot afford that. But if you are serious, you can buy something like that. Okay, now we play around a little bit. How to install this thing is very simple. So I scan the configuration, my notes. You can go to onacenter.or.id/wiki, type LLM here, and then there are several nodes here. If you want to use without GPU, you can check this one. This is for LLM, Ollama. Ollama Open Web, this is typo, Open Web UI full Docker. The one that I use is this one actually, because I use GPU. This node is for NVIDIA GPU. Okay, for AMD, you need ROCm. I have not tried, but I talked to people at AMD. I think they can do quite a similar task with lower costs. So AMD is uh, quite eager to compete with NVIDIA. So right now it's GPU, and for ComfyUI, this is one. Okay, I will show you ComfyUI first. Basically, you need to update the library dependency, and you need to install the GPU driver as well as CUDA toolkit. You can check the NVIDIA whether it's already the driver is okay or not. You just type NVIDIA -SME, and then for ComfyUI, you need to download the you need to clone the comfyui source code here, and then comfyui run on an virtual environment. So we need to install the Python 3 virtual environment, and then install any requirement for a virtual environment. You need to add torch and torch version. That's it, and then you can run it. As simple as this. Okay, to install the comfyui on server. Of course, comfyui can be installed on Windows, desktop, and so on. It's much easier to play with, to be honest. The installing comfyui, installing ollama, OpenWebUI is very simple. Takes like 30 minutes or so to install these things. The problem is not that. The problem is downloading the model. Then that takes a lot of time. Okay, the model is quite big, especially if you want to generate video. Some of the model require like what 200 gigabyte or something. So it's huge. Okay, file. Okay, after you run this one, you can access comfyui using website like this. Okay, I will show comfyui first because it's very easy. You have templates here. You can click templates. Okay, oops, how come? Okay, that's the templates. My mouse is not very good. Okay, you have all templates. You can see all the templates here. Okay, to be honest, you need to download the required model. I already downloaded the model, so I can run the templates, but I'm not downloading the video one because that takes a lot of resource, hard disk, and so on. Okay, so basically you have basic, flux, image, video, audio. The basic one is the simplest one we can play around. Flux is not recommended if you have GPU with small RAM. Image is okay with small RAM. Video is not recommended if you don't have a big GPU with big RAM. Okay, so this one is require big RAM. Okay, I think 16 gigabytes is okay. 24 is much better. Like this is like 14B. This one is 14B. That means it requires like 16 gigabyte of GPU RAM. I don't have 16. Mine is only 8, so I cannot do these things. So it's very difficult for me because I don't have that privilege. Of course, you can play around with audio. Require less RAM. Okay, I'll show you a little bit. Basically, for the basic one, you can generate image using prompt. This one. Okay, you can type the script or prompt here. Say beautiful scenery, nature, glass bottle, landscape, and purple galaxy in the bottle. Okay, and this is the code basically, and the output is here. Here is this the output. So I will run the program. Okay, so it's now running. Here, see the green. Okay, that's the output. That's it. Okay. I can change the prompt if you like. Say what? Padi, scenery with mountain. That's it. No human. Or the I put in the negative prompt is human. I don't want to see any human people in the figures. Okay, I can run. See, we have mountain and scenery like this, very beautiful. So basically, if you need an illustration, you can do something like this. So this is comfyui. So you can generate things like this. Of course, it would be fun if I have more RAM in my GPU, but I don't. So I stuck with image basically. I will be having difficulty with video. Let me see if I can run something like this one. Video generation. This is text to video. I don't know whether I can find orphan in pain. Okay, this one. Okay, this one text to video. Okay, I need to download more model. See, this is when I miss the model. I need to copy the URL and put it in correct folder. Where the folder is, this is diffusion model and text encoder, so you need to download these things. But I will not do the actual download. I will show you how to do it. If you are using Windows, I think you should be able to download directly, but because I'm running comfyui on server, I'm in trouble. I have to log into my server first. Okay, this is my server. Okay, this is the actual server. Okay, let me pick it, pick. Okay, okay. Comfyui. Where is it? Models. Okay. Which so the folder is diffusion models. So I need to diffusion models. Okay. So this is the actual folder I need to put the model. Okay. I think I have several model here. Oh, I don't have any model here. So to download, I need to do webget and the URL. See, I can copy the URL and type it here, but I will not press enter. If I enter these things, I download like 9 GB of file. So I will not do it, but basically that's how to download the model. Okay, so this is it. Okay, that's comfyui. Very simple to use. Lots of model in Hugging Face, so you can generate image, video, audio, anything. Okay, but not text. This is not text. This is for video, audio, basically. Okay, so I close this one. Nope. Clear. Let me close. Okay, delete what? Delete. Clear. Okay, so I close comfyui. Leave. So I'm on OpenWebUI. So this one is more important for many of us actually. The installation is very simple. You can get the cheat on this one, LLM. Okay. In this particular setup, I use GPU, only 8 GB of RAM, so you need to check this one. This one Ubuntu ollama run on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay. If you like, you can check the GPU, LSPCI, and grab NVIDIA, and you can see the whether it's ready or not. This is on my laptop. It ran on RTX 4060, basically a gaming GPU. This is not really for AI, but well, okay, it can use for AI a little bit. I remove all the NVIDIA driver, the rest, okay. I reinstall basically NVIDIA and install NVIDIA driver 580. This is the latest version. Okay, 580. And then when you check using NVIDIA SME, this is what you will see. Basically, it will show you the RAM is 8 GB, so it's quite small for video editing and stuff. I think you need at least like 24 or something. But that's expensive. Okay, now that's the GPU stuff. It's quite hot if you activate or you use GPU, and then you need to install CUDA. So this is how to install CUDA. So this one, I think you need to okay, you need reboot after you install NVIDIA driver. You need to reboot because it will integrate into the kernel, and then this one also reboot as well. After we install CUDA, we need to reboot as well. That's it. So we need to reboot twice, and then we can install the ollama and the other stuff using Docker. Okay, to install Docker, you need to install the URL, the CS certificate, and so on. And in this particular setting, I need to install. Oh, this is the normal Docker. And on this one, I think I need to install. Oh, this one is NVIDIA Docker. And then I need this one, Docker Compose, to make things easier when we install Docker thing. So basically, I need to configure the configuration file, the Docker Compose YAML, and then this is the configure file. Okay, the difference between the normal Docker, ollama Docker, and the one with GPU is this one basically. Here. Okay, so I need to tell the ollama, the Docker, that I will use all the GPUs, and I have to set the environment. Okay, ollama has an API port 11434. This is the API. So if you have a content management system, a web with content management system, you can actually talk to ollama on this port, the web, and then we can make the user to interact with ollama using this port. I think it talks using JSON or something. I think JSON. Yeah. Okay, so that's ollama. Ollama is not that user friendly. I have to maybe later I will show you how unfriendly is ollama. So to make things friendly, you need a web interface. This is OpenWebUI. So I have another container, Docker container. It has OpenWebUI. This is how to install it. The normal OpenWebUI port is 8080. In this case, I map 8080 to 3000. So I talk to port 3000 here, and this is the results. This is OpenWebUI. So OpenWebUI basically talk to ollama. How to configure? Basically, I need to click this one and admin panel, and then in setting, I need to change the connection. This is the one. Of course, if you like to talk to OpenAI API, you can enable OpenAI, but you need to pay money. And this one is free. The model is quite powerful, depending on our GPU. Okay, that's it. This is the one that you need to set, and then that's it. Okay, let me see. Okay, to play around with this, you need to set up knowledge, and you can create you can plus here, add knowledge. You have AI. In this case, I have AI and cybersecurity. For example, cybersecurity, I can add file or upload directory to these things. So I have local knowledge on certain topics. For normal prompt, you can just type it your prompt. Say, what is President University? Of course, it will not know about this thing. Oh, I choose a wrong. I don't know enough about President. Okay, because I use cybersecurity model here. Of course, the other model it will not understand about President University. So this particular model, Lava 4, is designed for generating image or video, I forgot. But I don't have the courage to use this one because I know I need the big GPU. I don't have enough GPU. The thing that we need to play around with this is if we have several GPU running on a server, can we maximize to use the GPU? I think we can. So I need to play around with this with bigger GPU. Okay. There are two different GPU to play with basically. So after Maghrib prayer, I will talk about the orange, but now I will talk about my toys first. And then to play around with this, you'd have there are two different GPU. There are GPU like RTX 4040. That's for gaming. I think it has here HDMI connector. So this is for gaming, for video interface. This is quite capable for playing around with this thing. Of course, let me see. If we shop, it costs about 5 million rupiah. So it's quite expensive. Same as single laptop. But that's the cost. If you want to get a better results, I think you need to have like 16 gig or something. See this? It's close to 10. See, close to 10. So that's expensive. One of my son, I think he bought something like this, 70 or something. He's crazy. So close to 20 million. So he has one of these things. Okay, I don't have one. Okay, that's for gaming basically. If we are more serious for I recommend data center GPU or the old name is Tesla, but I think the newer name is like data center GPU or something. Okay, it's Intel. Oh, Intel is like 140. Nvidia is what 200 million. So this is the expensive one. This is GPU server. It's cost like 6 billion rupiah. So that's very expensive. But some people buy these things as well. So this is data centers with flex 16 gigabyte. So if we are serious, we will look at these things. Okay. Tesla K80. Okay. I have to be honest, the most important one is not the latest GPU. The important one for our own purposes, the important one is this one, gigabyte. How much gigabyte we have. So this one, like Tesla K80 with 24 gigabyte RAM, it's quite powerful. This is much better actually. But I don't know. We have to check whether it can run using the latest NVIDIA driver on Ubuntu on Linux, because I normally run it on server. So this one also pre-owned. But be careful if it is pre-owned. Some of it is used for Bitcoin mining. So maybe the efficiency is degraded because of the mining process. Wow. Okay. This is 48 gigabyte. It's cost about 125 million rupiah. So it's quite expensive. Only one single card like this. Okay. So this is if you can buy like A100. Okay, this is 300 million rupiah. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, that's the GPU. Okay, if you have a question, please let me know. I will check the chatting. No question right now? Okay. Okay. We will break for 15 minutes. So we will come back around 6 610, less than 615, 610, 612, something like that. Okay, thank you very much. I will continue using orange after this. Okay, thank you.